Hi boys and girls, I hope you're doing well and you're safe at home. Today I'm going to show you how to do bonds of 12 playing the game called Shake, Shake, Break. Many of you probably know how to play the game. I want you to start by drawing a house. You can either draw it in your homework book if you don't have extra paper, or you can draw it on an extra piece of paper. I don't even have a ruler at home, so I'm using a piece of plastic to draw my lines. It doesn't have to be perfect. No one's going to see it. So you're going to draw a nice rectangle. And then your roof. And your number house is 12. I then want you to draw a line across the house and make 10 rows. Try and make them quite small so that you can fit all 10 lines in. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11 rows now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm not going to use this bottom one, so I'm just going to draw across. Okay, then you need to find small objects that you can use to play the game. I have found noodles, so I'm going to take out 12 noodles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So if you have noodles at home, you can use noodles. Otherwise, beans or anything else that's small enough to fit in your hands. So I'm going to put all 12 noodles in my hands. And I'm going to go shake, 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 break. And I'm going to put the noodles that I have in this hand on that side and the noodles that I have in this hand on that side. Then I'm going to count them. 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to write that amount on that side of the house. Then I'm going to count the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 and 3 make 12. Once you have done that, I want you to go to your homework book. I've already written a heading for myself and bonds of 12. Then you are going to write the sum that you made. And I want you to try and make sure that each time you make a different amount. You have different amounts in your hand so that you're making different bonds of 12. So the first one was 9 plus 3 equals 12. By the end, you should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 sums. So you can actually write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 in your book. And then you write the sums as you go along. Good luck! Okay, boys and girls. Next we are going to play the game Hangman, so that we can learn how to spell our number names. I'm just going to write the heading here, Hangman. So you can play with your brother or your sister. Make sure mom or dad is close so that they can check the spelling. We are only going to do from numbers 11 to 25. I have to play on my own, so just bear with me. The first number name I'm going to write the amount of lines for the amount of letters that there are. Right. So for example, if the word is 12 and you guess B, then there's no B in the word, so you're going to draw a circle over there. If you guess the word E, that is correct. T, W, E, so I'll write the E there. L, E. Then the next letter you might guess is L. Is there a L in 12? T, W, E, L. Yes, there's a L, so I do not add to the hangman. The next letter you might guess is Z. No, there's no Z in this number name, so I draw his body. The next letter you might guess is a T, and a W, and a V. And there you have your number name. Make sure someone is checking your spelling. Good luck. Repeated addition. I'm going to show you how the different ways you can work out these sums for repeated addition. Remember, repeated addition is adding the same number over and over again. I have written 10 sums for you, so I want you to take a good look at them and I want you to write them in your homework book. Then you can either use objects to work it out, or you can draw, and I'll show you how to do that now. The first one is 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. I know that is a very simple one for you guys. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. If you struggle, you can even draw the sum underneath. Then I'm going to count the objects if I don't know what the answer is. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And I will write it in my homework book. The next one is 3 plus 3 plus 3. Either you can use your noodles, you can go 3, or any other small object that you are using, plus 3, plus 3. Then I'm going to write the sum. And then I'm going to count all the objects to get my answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now either you can do it this way using the small objects, or you can just